that tree still standing over there. Oh, that shit over there broke the whole damn fence down over there. That fence back there? Look. You can't see it. Look at that fence right there. Tree fell on it. Something burning out here. Oh, watch out for them power line.